so dumb. This is the dumbest thing. Hello, it's Good with Conventures. Currently, we're in the big quarantine of 2020, and my hair looks like garbage. It goes straight across, and with my wavy hair, it doesn't work. So I decided I'm gonna cut it. See, it goes straight across, and it just doesn't work for me. So against the advice of all my friends and family, I've decided to cut my own hair. I have had 0 hours of cosmetology training. However, I watched about 3 minutes of how to cut your hair on YouTube. So I think I'm good. This is a quarter-life crisis. My hair was December 2018. My sister cut like 2 feet off of my hair, and it was like up to here. But she gave me 2 layers. Sorry, Kira, I'm calling you out. I had a mullet. It was terrible, and I still kind of have it. I have the long layer and then the short layer, and that's just not cutting it. So here we go. We're gonna cut these. So on YouTube, they said you brush your hair to the front, put it in a ponytail holder, and then cut it. And I went through my sister's room and found scissors. I'm getting nervous. If this looks good, I'll cut your hair for $5. $5 in my bathroom at home. Oh, I don't like combing my hair. This is so dumb. This is so stupid. But I'm doing it anyways. And everybody that told me don't do it, I just want everyone to be aware that telling me not to do something only makes me want to do it that much more. If everybody would have been like, yeah, go ahead, that's a good idea, I probably wouldn't be doing this right now, so you have yourselves to blame. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Put it in a ponytail, in the middle of your forehead. Okay. And then the girl like comb the ponytail. Hers was wet, mine's not wet. Okay, alright. Oh. What are these? Okay. Oh, I'm gonna puke. Is it directly in the center of my head? Combing it because I don't feel like it's combed enough. I'm gonna try to stall a little bit because I'm starting to feel like this is a bad idea. But I'm still gonna do it. At least I'm not giving myself bangs. Well, I don't know. Who knows how this is gonna turn out. Okay, so then you pull your fingers to the end, maybe right there. Some of it's fallen, so that part won't be cut because it's shorter than this, I guess. And the angle went this way in the video, right? Okay. Oh, wait, hang on, it's not tense. I feel like there needs to be some tension. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get it more wet. This is terrifying. Okay. Wow, the water really made a difference. Okay. So I've got it pulled straight out. This is probably enough, right? We're gonna cut this much off. Oh, this is so dumb! Okay. Okay. It's not cutting! I cut 5 pieces of hair! Okay, try this again. I don't remember where I had it. Like maybe here is where I had it. Yeah. Probably. Okay. Oh my God. That was screwed up. Okay. Alright. Okay. I don't know how you keep it tight. Okay. Okay. I feel like I didn't do that right. Alright, okay, well, whatever. If it's right, it's right. If it's wrong, it's too late. No. I think they're like 2 or 3 long pieces. Oh, no, they're just cut hairs. Okay. Alright. Now you have to do the little up and down cuts to make sure that it's not a straight line, I guess. I'm not gonna do that part. I'm not gonna do that part because I'm probably already screwed this up. Watch, my hair be really long in the front and short in the back. Okay. The grand reveal. I'm gonna brush it out. My hair's pretty healthy anyways because I don't use heat on it or fix it or anything. I just let it dry naturally, so I didn't like need a haircut, but I'm bored in quarantine. And this is what we do when we're bored in quarantine. It's like a breakup, except I don't know, maybe not. Okay, that's not my part. I think that's it. Okay, I guess we'll see what it looks like right now, and then I'll let it dry a little bit, and we will compare. So far, it's supposed to be shorter at the front and longer at the back. I think it is. And it's not too dramatic. I don't want it to be anything crazy. Let's see, is the back coming to a point? Or is it straight across? Can somebody tell me? I can't see. Is it straight across or is it coming to a point? Are you gonna tell me? Okay. Well, I'm gonna go get this fixed by another person who's not a licensed cosmetologist. It didn't, okay, it's not perfect. Didn't really have the angle I wanted it to. However, it's more angular than it was initially, which is what I wanted. And I don't know, the back kind of looks exactly the same, but it's a little bit different because I like it better. So there you go. If anybody wants a quarantine haircut, holla at your girl. $5. $5. It won't be perfect, but it will be darn close. Okay, no, that's all for now. Goodbye.
Wow.